this lesson plan evaluation assignment, I chose the lesson plan, This New Frog is See-Through. In this lesson plan, this does not have a writing component, but it could have one to where the students are thinking like scientists, where they can write about their new like if they found a new species themselves, what would it be? How would they describe it using the new vocabulary that they learned in the story? This lesson plan does require the students to interact two ways. I saw one as a whole group, and this is after they could do it after or before as a class. Jot down on an anchor chart or even a marker board observations about the appearance of the frog using descriptive language like it was green, it has webbed feet, and etc. It also has a part where they are partners and they share how the text features of the article help them understand the article better, and that was the whole group and partners that they interact with. This lesson plan, it does have a project-based activities. It's a text feature detective sheet, and this is asking the readers, the students, what the caption, maps, subheadings, and sidebar are for, and why did the author put that in there. This can also help them in the real world when they're reading articles on their own. They will know that to read those because they have more information that the article itself may not have. And it also has a close reading where the students read and answer questions, so therefore the students really have to be paying attention. So a teacher could say, okay, well, we're going to read this together, and then you can read it on your own, and then that way they've read it twice and they can answer the questions. This lesson plan also makes the students think like a scientist. They are able to look at the animals and describe them in depth details using the words and new vocabulary that they have learned from the article. Also, they found out why we study animals, and asking them other reasons on why we study animals can also have them think more, okay, well, this is why they said we study animals, but why do I think we study animals? And so the answers may vary if you ask your classroom that. In summary, I do think this is a quality lesson plan. It focuses on close reading, and the students are able to read it and be able to comprehend it, therefore to answer questions about it later. This also helps the students learn the components of an article. That way, whenever they are out on their own reading an article, they will know this is the subtitle, this is a sidebar, and this is the cover page and the title. That way, students will know, and also their vocabulary that they have learned from this article is great also because it explains to them, hey, this is what this means, and it has a vocabulary box at the end of the article. So I think, yes, in summary, this is a great quality lesson plan.